Ethnic wears from Meesho under rupees 899. Let's try them all. First, this pink color printed kurta set of rupees 856 with the perfect neckline and 3/4 quarter sleeves. Also, you get a beautiful dupatta with this which you can style in your own way. Second, this embroidered dot printed black kurta set of rupees 617 with the beautiful neck design, and the sizes available in this are up to XXL. Third, this yellow color flower printed gown of rupees 458. With this also get a dupatta and also a belt. It is available in the georgette fabric up to the size XXL. So just go and click on the tag products to order yours.